Hey there, I assume you're on page 103 in my book, Joyous Detox, and I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely wonderful recipe, my strawberry oat mini pancakes. And the reason I call them mini is because I make them only about this big. Growing up, my grandmother McCarthy would always make us pancakes when we had sleepovers, and she always made them mini. And I don't really know why that is. She's kind of a mini lady. She's very short, was very short, she's not around anymore. But she was maybe about this tall. I don't know, what is that, 4 foot something? But anyhow, I love these pancakes. They are naturally sweet, they are really fulfilling, and they're super easy to make. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to make them. Now that my batter is ready, I've melted some coconut oil and I'm ready to cook my pancakes. But I have to tell you, one of the secrets of good pancakes is to make sure you have a hot pan. And then you can adjust when you're cooking them if you feel like they're cooking too fast. Exactly, see, Vienna agrees with me. I have a little audience here. If you feel like they're cooking too fast but not in the middle, then you can adjust the temperature. How do you know your pan is hot? This is the sound. That's a good hot pan. Okay, so you will notice that this batter is fairly thick. That's just the nature of using oats. So when you're putting the batter in, you can flatten it down a little bit. And the other thing to keep in mind is that it's not like your typical pancakes where you know it's done because you know it's ready to flip because there's little bubbles forming. Because the batter is so thick, you're not gonna see bubbles forming. So you kind of just have to go with your gut on this one, but you can easily, as it's cooking, you can easily flip it and look on the bottom to make sure that it is getting golden brown. These do take a little bit longer than your typical boxed pancake mix because as you can see, they're thicker, but let's check. So, we'll see if that's getting golden brown. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So let's flip. And the nice thing when they're a bit thicker is they're so easy to flip. So there you have it, my strawberry mini oat pancakes. When you make my recipe, please take a photo, share it on social media, and make sure to use the hashtag Joyous Detox and Joyous Health so that I can see it and I can like your photo. So I hope you like this video and have a joyous day. Bye.